Right now, over 30 million tons of goods pass through Jamaica's ports every year. And yet, almost none of it benefits us. No assembly, no packaging, no value-added jobs, just containers in, containers out. But that's about to change, because what's rising now isn't just concrete and steel. It's a $28 billion dream to turn Jamaica into one of the world's most powerful logistics hubs. The big dream. This isn't about building a bigger port. This is about rewriting Jamaica's future. For decades, we've relied on tourism, remittances, and bauxite. But what if the biggest opportunity for our economy was staring at us all along? Our location. Jamaica is now boldly setting its sights on becoming the fourth pillar in global trade, joining the ranks of Singapore, Dubai, and Rotterdam. We're not talking about being a pass-through anymore. We're talking about becoming the place where trade stops to grow. Geography isn't just luck, it's leverage. Just look at a map. Jamaica sits right between North and South America. East meets west through the Panama Canal, and we're right at the crossroads. With Kingston Harbor, one of the world's largest natural deep-water harbors, and air links from both coasts, we're perfectly placed to serve over 800 million people across the Americas. But location alone doesn't build prosperity. You need to turn that advantage into infrastructure, and that's exactly what's happening. Inside the engine, special economic zones. So what exactly makes this more than just a port project? It's what happens beyond the docks. The real engine of this mega project is the rise of Jamaica's Special Economic Zones, or SEZs. These aren't just fenced-off industrial parks. They are mini economic powerhouses with their own rules, fast-track approvals, and targeted tax incentives designed to attract global business giants and innovative startups alike. Think of the Caymanas Special Economic Zone, just minutes from the Kingston port. It's not just land, it's 485 hectares of possibility. A space built to host warehouses, assembly lines, call centers, high-tech manufacturing, food processing plants, even digital media firms. This zone isn't just for big investors. The government is designing it so that local MSMEs, Jamaica's small and mid-sized businesses, can also get a piece of the action. This zone aims to create linkages from the global economy to our local communities by supplying packaging, transport, raw materials, maintenance, you name it. Then there's the Kingston Logistics Park, rising right next to one of the busiest container terminals in the Caribbean. What makes this park special? Location meets integration. Goods can move from ship to warehouse to truck, or even to air transport in a matter of hours. And inside, companies don't just store products. They package them for specific countries, label them in different languages, assemble kits, or customize products based on market needs. That's not just movement, that's value creation. And it doesn't stop there. Plans are underway for sea-air logistics facilities, where cargo arriving by ship can be transferred straight to aircraft for fast delivery, especially for perishable or high-value goods. This means Kingston could soon rival hubs like Miami or Panama for express freight. Faster delivery, lower cost, higher revenue, all happening right here. These SEZs are more than infrastructure. They are ecosystems, places where customs are streamlined, bureaucracy is cut, talent is trained on site. And here's the clincher. Companies operating in these zones won't just be part of Jamaica. They'll be part of global supply chains, moving goods to and from Latin America, North America, Europe, and beyond. And the ripple effect? Massive. More jobs, more exports, more skills are transferred to locals. Jamaica won't just be the bridge between regions. It will be the platform where the world builds, assembles, and distributes. But the best part? We're building these zones not just for big global players. We're building them for Jamaicans, with Jamaicans. Because real transformation means bringing opportunity home. It's one of the most ambitious projects in Jamaica's history. Over $28 billion is needed to bring this dream to life. Private investors are already stepping in because they see what many still don't. This isn't just a gamble on logistics, it's a wager on Jamaica's rise. What this means for you, let's bring this closer to home. If you're a young Jamaican looking for work, this hub could open doors in IT, engineering, shipping, marketing, warehousing, drone tech, and more. We're talking about over 87,000 direct jobs when fully rolled out. Jobs that don't just pay well, but keep talent in Jamaica, reverse the brain drain, and build careers here, not overseas. And if you run a small business, you could become a supplier to one of the dozens of companies operating inside the SEZs. This is more than GDP stats. This is opportunity at scale. The digital revolution, from bottlenecks to breakthroughs. Trade isn't just about ships anymore. It's about speed. That's where Jamaica's port community system comes in. Instead of being buried in red tape, traders can track, trace, and process goods digitally from shipment to delivery. Customs, automated, permits, streamlined. Jamaica is moving from paper-driven delays to real-time precision. The goal? To be the fastest, smartest hub in the region. Can we outrun the competition? Let's be real. We're not alone. Panama, Colombia, the Dominican Republic, the Bahamas, they all want the title of Caribbean logistics leader. So why would a global company choose Jamaica? Because we've got what they don't. A naturally deep harbor, a skilled English-speaking workforce, proven reforms in business ease, and a coordinated national strategy backed by world powers like the World Bank, IDB, and the EU. This is not about beating the region, it's about leading it. The risk of failure is real, but let's not sugarcoat it. There are real dangers. The $28 billion investment depends heavily on private capital. Coordinating ports, airports, roads, digital systems, and training programs is a logistical puzzle on its own. If even one piece lags, if the workforce isn't ready, or red tape returns, this vision could collapse. Jamaica can't afford another big promise that fades into dust. From pass-through to powerhouse. For too long, Jamaica has been a pass-through, a link in the chain, but never the engine. This logistics hub aims to change that forever, to make us the place where global goods are not just passed along, but enhanced, transformed, and redistributed. That's not just an economic shift, it's a mindset shift. Will we build it? This is Jamaica's moment. The groundwork is being laid. The investors are watching. The harbor is ready. But the final question isn't about money or geography. It's about willpower. Do we have the patience to train our people, fix our processes, and keep our eyes on the long game? Because if we do, this won't just be a hub. It will be the future of Jamaica's economy. The world is moving fast, but now Jamaica has a chance to lead. So let's not just watch this happen. Let's build it together. Like, comment, and share this video if you believe Jamaica is ready to take its place in the global trade arena. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to our Impacting Jamaica channel today.